Hello friends, now apply a rubber band on the first end of your strips and simply insert them inside. After inserting them inside, you can make a thick braid out of it. After making a thick braid, you can simply make this very precise bun like this. Now first you need to take the another end of your hairs like this. Roll the another end of your hair and insert it the previous end. After doing so, you can apply a rubber band like these and then you can see that how wonderfully we have obtained this. After obtaining this, you can make a thick braid and roll it into a form of bun. Now make a ponytail and start inserting it in between. After inserting it in between, you can simply see that how we have obtained this braid into this heart form and how cute the hairstyle looks. After applying a thick rubber band and then thin rubber bands, you can simply insert the remaining part of your hairs into this manner, and after inserting them like these, you can simply see how effectively we have made this bun. And you are done with this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.